Here we're writing equation notes. As you see, the key word in equation is equal. So an equation is two expressions that have an equal sign. So some words that mean equals. One is. Another that means equals is always our total. We have same as and gives you. There we go. So if you look at the examples here, the first one says 5 more than a number k is 12. So our key word, as you see here with writing expressions, that the word more than means addition. So I'm going to highlight more than. And then, of course, if you look over here, I'm going to highlight the word is. So more than means addition. So I'm going to write 5 plus a number k, which would be k, is our equals 12. So our two expressions would be 5 plus k, and the other expression would be 12, and they're equal. Then after that, in the next one, number 2, we've got the quotient, 42, and a number gives you 7. So our first is quotient, which is the answer to a division problem, followed by gives you, which is our equals. So since the quotient is our answer, we're going to write 42 divided by a number. We don't know the number, so I'm going to use n for my variable. Gives you equals 7. Now, of course, another way to write division is to write 42 over n equals 7. Raise this up. Okay, number 3. We use the word product. And then our equals word is going to be is equivalent to. So product means multiply, the answer to a multiplication. So we're going to multiply y and 2. But since we're multiplying, we always want our coefficient first. So our coefficient is the number that we're multiplying by our variable. So I'm going to write 2y. I don't need a dot. Of course, we don't use x anymore. We don't need to do parentheses here. It's just our coefficient's 2 and our variable's y. We just write it like that. Is equivalent equals 16. So our two expressions is 2 times y and 16. We're making them equal. So we're going to try these. So the first one, we have a half of a number is 24. So look here, our key word of, and our equals word is. Half, we can write as 1 over 2. Of means multiply a number we don't know, but since we're multiplying, 1/2 would be our coefficient, n would be our variable. So we'd write 1/2 n is means equals 24. Now, we also know that when you take half of a number, you can take your variable, since we're taking half of n, we can also divide it by 2 and get 24. The next one, we got the product, which once again is the answer to multiplication. And we've got gives you for our equals. There we go. So once again, since we're multiplying, 7 will be my coefficient. A number, we're going to use a variable, so I'm going to use n, gives you equals 56. So we have 7 times n as our one expression, and 56 is our other, and we're going to make it equal. The last one, we got 4 less than a number gives you 13. So we got less than and gives you. Now, here we're taking 4 less than a number. So as you see here, we're going to need to take away 4. So we need to list our number first because we're taking 4 less than that. So our number, we don't have a variable, so I'm going to use n, and I want 4 less than that, so it's going to be n minus 4, and it's going to give you equals 13. So our two expressions to make them equal, our one side is n minus 4, our other side is 13.